Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're looking at this grain silo, which is built from two right cylindrical cones and a right cylindrical cylinder, where we have the given measurements. I should not forget the radius measurement right there. And from this information, we're asked to find the volume. So firstly, let's get our formula. So the total volume is going to be the volume of this cylinder, which is pi times the radius squared times the height, plus 2 times the volume of each of the cones. Since they have the same volume, we are going to just multiply the volume of one of them by 2. And so that's going to be 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. And from this information, we can just find the volume. Again, don't forget to put in different values for the cylinder and the cones because they're going to have different values. It's not the same R and H. Pi, then the radius of the cylinder is 5 squared. The height of the cylinder is 10. Plus 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. Pi, the radius of the cones is 5. And then the height of the cones, or make sure 5 is squared because that's the radius. And the height of the cones is also 5. And taking this value, plug it into your calculator, and you will get roughly 1,047.2 cubic feet. And this lines up with answer D, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.